Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will show you how to add black portrait effect by using Snapseed application. For this editing we need Snapseed app. App download link in description. Go ahead and download it. Click on open, and then select your picture. Now, first step, go to the tool section. Next, select black and white tool. Apply contrast style. Select color style, and I choose color style for picture require. So I select green color style and make photo little brighter and add some contrast. Then click on apply. Next, second step, go to the tools section and select curves tool. Now just down the curve, like this. Then click on apply. Next, open edit stack. Then click on view edits. Select curves and select brush. Apply brush around the person, like this. Just start making thick outline around the person. Brush neatly by adjusting percentage. Zoom the photo and just do brush neatly. After outline completed, just zoom out the photo and start brushing from the ends, like this. Click on apply. Now last step, just click on vignette tool. Increase the center size and decrease the outer brightness, and just put circle, like this. Click on apply. Again, repeating same process. Increase center size and brightness, put circle like this, and click on apply. By using details tools you can add some sharpness and structure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe guys. Thanks for watching.